we're back with a really cool problem. This is the Caydo single-use screen printer press. When I say single-use, I don't mean one-time use. I mean one screen. Let's open this up and talk about what comes inside. There we go. So it's really well protected. There is some assembly required. So this is the actual screen printing press. We'll open up. You have all the parts for it. Silicone packet, make sure you take care of that properly so you don't hurt your dogs, pets, or loved ones. We have all these pieces here and a little instruction manual of how to assemble it. Nice. Indication line for center. Brackets specifically for the screen. And screws. Let's build this real quick. So we'll do it in fast forward mode so you don't have to get too bothered by it. We'll be right back. What's really cool about this one is they did give you one of pretty much every single tool that you needed included, and then you do have a little wrench you can use to tighten and loosen the connections on here, just in case you need to for some reason. I want to just hold on to these. Now this unit here, the way it works is you put the screen in here, and that way it allows you to push down the screen onto the shirt that you've placed onto this little piece, the board, and then you can squeegee the paint onto the shirt as it's being held in position clearly and tightly by these clamps. Now, we're going to make a shirt so you can see what it looks like. Before I do, we thought it'd be good to show you all the things that you would need specifically to do a screen print, besides, of course, a one screen printer. We have screen print kits. Very helpful. Same company. Caydo. So in here we have some masking tape, more silicate. We have a squeegee, smaller and larger. More silicate packs. Gloves to make sure you don't get gunk on you. A couple additional squeegees, little knife, popsicle sticks, and then of course screens. So they have these little protective screens on here. So little cardboard so you don't damage the screens or get anything on them. But normally what you would do is you would take this, put it in here. Tighten these. Now keep in mind this is after you've already put the screen print on it. That would lay down flat. And then you would put the paint, squeeze it across so it gets onto the shirt. Let that rest for a second. lift up, you'd see your finished product on the shirt. Just to give you an idea. We got the 3-pack in different sizes. It also includes an instruction and some paper that you can actually print out, which is really nice, which we're going to be doing with that. And then we also picked up from Caydo some additional items as well. So we picked up some screen print photo emulsion to help basically put our images onto the shirt, so we'll also go over in the kit to make that. And then lastly, we picked up a UV light to help us with our emulsion. So the way this works is you set this up after you print onto the shirt, then you put the emulsion on the screen with your printout that goes on top of the screen, and then the UV light will set the emulsion that is not blocked by the print. And what's going to happen is that then once you basically clean off that emulsion, the extra emulsion, the one that's stuck actually in the screen is going to be the one that basically allows the paint to go through when you're screen printing. So we're not going to show you every step of the way of us making the screens and preparing the light and the emulsion kit, but we will show you the final actual printing of the shirt. We'll be right back. Hopefully you guys like that. Hopefully you guys pick it up for yourself and start making some really cool shirt designs as well. I mean, they make great gifts. You can make shirts for trips. Don't have to basically spend an absorbent cost going to some third-party company online or print shop in town. You can make shirts really easily all by yourself. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.